Hello and welcome, this is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video I'm going to talk about that Fidelity, which is one of the largest asset managers in the world, predicts that the Bitcoin in the future will be $1 million US. And you know, this is Fidelity saying it, not just like an average Joe after a couple of shots. So I think it's worth to discuss it. The second news will be that I will put Bitcoin in the context with other valuable companies out in the market, and you will see that how small Bitcoin's market cap is now and why Bitcoin has a great potential in growth. And the third news will be about one of the biggest South Korean exchanges, which made 85 million profit illegally. So it's a huge scam, and I'm going to talk about that. So all this in today's video, and if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to receive the freshest, the hottest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday from Monday to the Friday, then you should definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get the videos as soon as they're out. And you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Plus, I would like to give you a totally free course, which is all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is right under the video. You just click on it and you can download it, and you can learn a lot of valuable information. If you're a beginner, it will be extremely useful. If you have started already, then it includes a lot of information, safety steps, which you might have missed. So it's worth to check it out. So download it. It's totally free. The link is right down here. On YouTube. Okay, and now let's check out the market. So market right now, Bitcoin, it's at $11,427, which is a 0.57% increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, it's $386, which is a 1.08% increase. So they went up a little bit, but Bitcoin is still under 12,000, and Bitcoin is still under 12,000, and Ethereum is under 4,000. So check out the winners. The winners is Silo, 48% increase. Then we have Serum, 25% increase, and we have Band Protocol going up now again with 18% increase. When we check out the losers, at the number one place, we have the Midas Touch Gold with minus 11%, Cosmos minus 7%, and Ampliforth minus 5%. So, and you know, when you're looking at the others, then you can see it here. Right, let's jump into the first topic, which is, I think, a very important one, because Fidelity is now the one who is saying that the Bitcoin in the future can reach $1 million US. And I think this is, it could be, you never know. But, this firm is one of the largest asset managers in the world. And combined total customer asset value, what they deal with, it's almost 7 trillion US dollar. So now you can see how big they are. And now let's jump into the article. So very important one, that the Fidelity Digital Asset has conducted this survey for US institutional investors and the first for European investors. And 60% of the institutional investors surveyed believe that digital assets, just like Bitcoin, have a place in their investment portfolio. So who are the institutional investors? This is basically Wall Street. And Wall Street, who was for such a long time against cryptocurrencies, against Bitcoin, now they start to realize how important it is. And look, 60% who they asked, they're saying that yes, they put digital assets in their portfolio. So it's I think, amazing. Another one, Fidelity Digital Assets also validate the stock to flow, which was created by Plan B. I'm going to show you in a second, which predicts Bitcoin price at $1 million. The company examined the ways that could attract investors to Bitcoin as an investment and noted that Bitcoin is increasingly integrated into traditional investment portfolios, in the traditional ones. When they usually say they buy some company stocks and some precious metals and all these things, and now they're putting Bitcoin in it. I think that's massive. And finally here, institutional investments in Bitcoin could see a massive growth this year. I think it already has a massive growth, but this is just keep increasing because now they're looking for safe haven when they understood that dollar is not that stable. And then obviously precious metals like gold, silver could be one solution. It's a great solution. But on the other hand, Bitcoin is more portable and it's easier. And look, the potential in Bitcoin is much bigger than it is in gold if everything works out. This number, $1 million for Bitcoin, just think about it. Now it's under $12,000. And they predict that in the future, per Bitcoin, it can go up to 1 million. To be honest with you, if they just totally got it wrong, and let's make it just 500,000 or 400,000, it's still a massive increase for Bitcoin. But these guys are pro. And I wanted to show you the stock to flow chart. Check it out. So this is how it looks like. I have talked about it already in my videos in the past about this because it's works out quite well in the past. Check it out. It goes back here now on this one, back to 2010, so almost at the beginning where Bitcoin started. And this white line, it shows what the chart predicts it's going to happen. And the colorful dots are showing the things what actually happened with Bitcoin. And as you can see, it kind of follows it very well. It's not going as sharp as this prediction line, but it catching up, or it's going now. It was above it, and the red dots, what you can see, it's always when the halving happens. So the halving happening when it's getting dark blue, and then now this is the new kind of 4-year period starting. And now we have this 3 dots out already. The halving the third halving was in this May, and on the 11th exactly. And now you can see that each dot is getting higher. And you could see also here that, it's not going that fast. So obviously here it's going to be rather like this. But you never know. In crypto, this is the great thing. It can, make a sharp move upward, downward. But that's what they're saying, that, look, this stock to flow chart, it works out pretty well, and it predicts that Bitcoin in the future can go up to $1 million, and this is what Fidelity believes also. And now let's move on to the second news, but we still stay with Bitcoin. And here I would like to show Bitcoin in content which other companies focusing on it, on the market cap. And I think here you can see actually why Bitcoin is right now so small and why it has huge potential. Look, when we look at here, Jeff Bezos' market cap, it's at, then if it would be equal Bitcoin with Jeff Bezos' market cap, then it would be at 10,200. Right now, Bitcoin, I mean, when it was made was 12,200. We have just checked that it's 11,400 something at the moment, but around it, okay? When we're checking JP Morgan's market cap, then Bitcoin, it would be equal with that. It would be 16,500. Okay, let's move on a little bit. Facebook, if Bitcoin would be equal, the whole Bitcoin, which is out, it would be equal with Facebook, with a single company, okay, the major company, but still it's just a company, it would be $40,300 per Bitcoin. If we're checking Apple, if it would be the market cap, Bitcoin's more equal with Apple, then a single Bitcoin would cost 106,000 Bitcoin. And okay, one more. Gold. If Bitcoin's market cap would be the present Bitcoin, which is out, equal with gold's market cap, then a single Bitcoin would cost 487,000 US dollars. And I think that's perfectly shows when we're talking about a single company like Apple, Facebook, Bitcoin is not even close to it. And Bitcoin could be, for many people, the safe haven. Bitcoin could give possibilities to so many people around the world who don't have access to the traditional monetary system, to the banking system. And also just a simple investment like gold. And look where gold is, how far. And Bitcoin could be the new digital gold. So I think this chart or this picture here perfectly shows that how big is the potential in Bitcoin if we put it in context with others in focusing on the market cap. And the third news is about South Korean crypto exchange, and they made crazy $85 million profit illegally. But the shocking number is coming here, as the firm has faked more than 99% of its trading volume. I hope you get it. 99% of the trading volume was fake. And they earned that amount, the 85 million, with this. And this is the company called Coinbit. So let's check out the website. They're saying the best cryptocurrency exchange, launched in 2018, award-winning cryptocurrency exchange. Yeah, what award, I'm wondering. So when you when you want to make quite sure with exchanges, then you would go for Koren, you would go for Coinbase, you go for Gemini, because these are the ones who are actually have the right licenses. Binance is also big and arguably, obviously, the most from the big ones. You can get there the most altcoins on Binance, but they're not as regulated as Koren, Gemini, and Coinbase. So that's why it's very difficult to figure out what is the real amount on exchanges. If one of the biggest South Korean exchange can fake it, 99% of its trading volume. How is that? Okay, so crazy. Guys, use exchanges which you can trust. I mean, like, I know nothing is 100%, but minimize the risk. These are like, oh, crazy. And the summary shows, I found the number here. According to the officials, 252,000 monthly active users of the firm were affected by the scam. So quite a big amount of, big number, a lot of people, I would say. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like this video, like the content, then smash the like button. I always highly appreciate it. And if you would like to get these kind of contents, you would like to stay up to date in crypto and blockchain, then you should definitely subscribe to blockchainbloom YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get the videos as soon as they're out, because I'm making them for you from Monday to Friday. Every weekday you're getting a fresh video with the hottest, the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And download the totally free course. The link is right under the video here on YouTube. And you can get a lot of information about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's a free course, so what are you waiting for? Just download it. It's all yours. And obviously tomorrow coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news with the newest video. Guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.